Hey, welcome back YouTube family. It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Tonight we're going to be adjusting Missy. Missy is an athlete. She's, a grown adult, but she loves to ride a bike. She does mountain biking. She does all kinds of hiking and all kinds of, adventurous stuff, which of course we love, as BFC racing and all the, extreme sports we engage and love. So, how are you feeling? How's everything?
I'm actually in pain today, which is becoming less and less common since the time I began with you.
All right.
I have a little bit of a stinging sensation to the left of my spine. I'm beginning to get more mobile with my hips, and as I do, just new sensations and working them out and trying to, working past them.
Okay. How's your head? How's headaches, migraines, any of that?
No headaches, no migraines.
Thank God.
I'm due for an adjustment, but
awesome.
Just normal stuff.
That's what I love. She, is in great shape, as you can see, but she comes in periodically to stay in great shape and engage in her health. All right, cool. Go ahead and lay facing down. Make sure your necklace does not get jammed up. It happened once, and it was so awkward, and I was like, I'll pay for it to be fixed, Well, this is a cool shirt.
Oh, well, thank you.
I definitely feel that.
Yeah, it's
anything, anything going on? Anything different? You've been in, sitting more?
Yeah, last week I was filling in at another location and my standing desk was gone. So I was forced to be sitting a lot more than I normally am. Culprit.
Yeah, definitely. And you are, you are blessed with height. It's not like you're 6'5" or anything, but you are blessed with height, and that encourages this forward flexion, especially at the desk.
Okay.
Well, it was really nice of you to fill in.
I'm grateful to be here.
No, to fill in at work. You're a team player, man.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. All right, let's check out your legs. You can definitely see that rotation in your pelvis. Okay.
I don't know if it makes any difference, but I recently bought a Wave Master, and I've begun throwing kicks and punches, so I don't know if that has anything to do with anything going on either. I've been pretty infrequent with that since I bought it.
What's a Wave Master?
It's like a standing, weighted thing that you just hit.
Cool.
It goes up to 6 feet high. It doesn't go super low, though.
I think it's great.
Yeah.
I think it's great.
It really is.
You can take out your frustrations of the day. You get a good workout.
Yep.
Practice your technique and striking. I think it's a good addition.
Yeah. I think I need to learn how to kick better though, because you can kick, but doing it right is a little bit different.
True. Yeah. And they're they're definitely different styles. Taekwondo is a good basic. My wife studied Muay Thai for a bunch.
Nice. My roommate does that.
Yeah, it's a wonderful, amazing martial art, and a lot of kicking. So he or she can definitely teach you, your roommate.
Yep.
Give you some pointers.
Yeah, he actually offered if I want to learn how to actually hit.
You doing the windmill, technique?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right.
Scrappy-Doo.
Yeah, perfect. All right, deep breath in, hold it though. Good. Perfect. All right, let it all the way out. Perfect. Beautiful. This will do the other way, the anterior dorsal. Okay, turn and face me on your side. I took martial arts for a long time, Aikido. I have a black belt, and it's been a while since I've trained. And then I trained in Jiu-Jitsu. I have a purple belt in that. Perfect. Okay, go ahead on your back.
Yeah, I remember you saying jujitsu.
Yeah, amazing. Awesome. Loved it. But, you know, fitting it into the life,
Didn't
you
you
know.
say a knee problem?
Yeah. Yeah, you know.
Constantly bugging your...
Old man disease was what I was made fun of for.
No,
So.
you're not old enough to pull that one.
Wow, thanks. You made my day. Oh, all right. We got to wrestle for that one. That didn't move at all.
Felt like something moved.
All right, cool. I'll take it. Not as nicely as I'd like. But yeah, I would definitely recommend, you know, martial arts training to anyone and everyone. I mean, sure, you know, if you're 80 years old, it might not be exactly like, you know, throw a kick and fall to the ground or whatever, you know, like just, you know, make it appropriate to your level and skill and your abilities. But it's always a valuable skill.
Mm-hmm.
Also brought, like, you know, some comfort, you know, knowing how to defend yourself.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
You know, it does bring some comfort. Now, the number one principle is avoid conflict, avoid troublesome areas and situations. You just don't want to do that.
Yeah.
But if it arises, at least you have you know, some game plan. You have some strategy.
Thinking about that today. I need to get some mace. I haven't had any for years, and I don't ever need it. But the one time you do, if you don't have it, it's a pretty big deal.
It definitely is. Beautiful. Thank you, Missy. That was nice.
I needed that.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Okay, turn around and face me this way on your side. Your L5 is rotated just a bit. Oh, that was perfect.
Good.
That was beautiful. Wow. Really nice. Okay, come on up, have a seat. I want to soften those muscles, those trap muscles, upper back, then we're wrestling. Perfect. Okay, come on around over here. That's just a little pedal. Stand facing away. Perfect. Okay.
Hands on your hands.
Yeah. Beautiful. All right, stand up nice and tall, nice and tall, nice and tall. You did it. You did it, man. Good job. Awesome. Thank you, Missy.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and commenting, and look for us to make another video really soon. All right, thanks. See ya.